Ah, what a beautiful day. Time to explore.
Barnaby's Great Big Job. Under the golden sun of Sunnyside Farm, a tiny hero was waking up.
Ah, what a beautiful day. Time to explore.
His name was Barnaby, and he was a dung beetle. While the bigger animals spent their day eating and napping, Barnaby had a very special job to do that helped everyone on the farm. Nearby, Mallow the cow was munching on sweet clover. With a loud plop, she left a steaming brown mound in the middle of the field. Most animals would walk away and hold their noses, but Barnaby's eyes twinkled with excitement. To him, this was a treasure. Barnaby didn't just look at the treasure, he went straight to work. He used his strong, spade-like legs to scoop and shape the dung into a perfectly round ball. It was much bigger than he was, but Barnaby was the strongest recycler on the farm. Pip the sheep trotted over and crinkled her nose.
Barnaby!
She bleated with a giggle.
Why are you playing with that smelly thing? It's very squishy and gross.
Barnaby just smiled and kept on rolling his heavy, round prize toward the edge of the woods.
It might smell to you, Pip,
Barnaby explained, stopping for a quick breath.
but I'm a farm doctor. This ball is full of nutrients. I can make magic happen. Perfect spot. Ah, cool and quiet.
Barnaby finally found the perfect spot under a shady oak tree where the soil was soft and dark. He began to dig. With his sturdy legs, he shoveled the dirt aside until he had made a tunnel deep into the cool, quiet earth. He pushed the ball into the hole and buried it tight. Deep underground, the dung would slowly break down and mix with the earth.
Sleep well, little vitamins.
Barnaby whispered as he patted the dirt flat with his feet.
The farm is waiting for you.
Weeks passed, and the magic began to show. Because Barnaby had buried the dung, the soil became rich and healthy. In that very spot, the grass grew taller, greener, and much tastier than anywhere else on the farm. Barnaby's hard work also helped Mallow stay happy. By burying the dung, he made sure there was no place for itchy flies to hatch.
Thanks for the clean fields, Barnaby. The pasture is so peaceful now.
Mallow mooed. Barnaby tucked himself into a soft, curled leaf for a well-deserved nap.
Hello there! Welcome to Sunnyside Farm.
He was small, but without him, the farm wouldn't be nearly as green or healthy. He was proud to be a dung beetle, the tiniest hero of the soil.
Hi, if you like this video, please give this a like and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a new video.